Okay, let's start with the session. InDesign menus. Already we saw in the come to the InDesign application, friends. Already we saw like our file menu. Okay, in the file menu we can save the file, we can close the file, and we can save as the file, and we can use the package, and we can export the files like JPG and PDF also. Okay, now control N to create a new document, and we can take the inches and create the new document. Good, but this is the document we have taken here. This is very fine, and click it here. This is very fine, and sorry, it's open. Yeah, take the edit menu. Suppose let's take with one rectangle tool, and you can fill the color. Take F5 to fill the color, and take duplicate, alt drag, and you can change the color. Change duplicate, you can fill the color, and you would like to go step backward, means step backward. And what is the shortcut for step backward? Control step backward. Step backward, Control Z. Control Z for step backward. Control Shift Z for step forward. Step backward and step forward. అంటే మనం వెనక్కి వెళ్ళాలన్నా మనం చేసిన దాన్ని స్టెప్ బ్యాక్వర్డ్ అండోకి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే దాన్ని కంట్రోల్ జెడ్ అని ప్రెస్ చేస్తాము. అలాగే కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ జెడ్ అంటే ముందుకు రెడో వెళ్ళిద్ది. ఓకే, కంట్రోల్ జెడ్ అండ్ కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ జెడ్. అండ్ I would like to cut this file. Control X, cut the file. Okay, and Control V, paste the file. If you want to, where you cut, here you have cut this object, and the same place you have to paste. Control C, copy, and Control Shift V, paste. C. Control Alt Shift V. Control Alt Shift V. Please note it down. Control Alt Shift V. Control Z step backward, Control Shift Z step forward, Control C copy, Control V paste, and Control Alt Shift V paste in place. అదే ప్లేస్లో మనం పేస్ట్ చేయాలి. మనం తీసుకున్న ప్లేస్లోనే కాపీ చేసిన పేస్ట్లోనే పేస్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే Control Alt Shift V. Control Alt Shift V. Is it clear? Guys, did you written? Okay, and select it. Go to the edit. Control Alt V. Paste intro. Just pasting the object. General pasting. Okay. If you want to delete means you can delete. The shortcut is backspace. Write down. Backspace. Delete option. Backspace. Delete option. And come to here, select this one, go to the edit, duplicate, What is duplicate? Edit. Control Alt Shift D. What happening? The same action it is repeating. See, Control Alt Shift D. Control Alt. It is repeating. Okay. Then, sir, how can we duplicate that one? Suppose if you have some action, ఇక్కడ అదే యాక్షన్ లో రిపీట్ అవుతుంది మనకి డూప్లికేట్ కొంత డిస్టెన్స్ లో రిపీట్ అవుతుంది జస్ట్ గివింగ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ డూప్లికేటింగ్ ద యాక్షన్ ఈస్ taking a duplicate from particular the gap we have the gap no the gaps suppose I just taken a duplicate like this hold shift plus alt to drag it duplicate and what is the distance here some distance happened okay we have taken some distance between object to object ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కి ఇంకో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కి కొంత డిస్టెన్స్ తీసుకొని డూప్లికేట్ చేశాను ఎలా చేశాను ఆల్ట్ డ్రాగ్ చేశాను అది స్ట్రైట్ గా రావాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి shift పట్టుకోవాలి okay we have if you want to straight the object should become as a straight with the duplicate hold shift plus alt okay now take a duplicate edit and duplicate same it is coming the same action okay then let's check it with the action with the step and repeat step and repeat is also the same action suppose if you take a duplicate okay I just taken a color and take a duplicate same but if here you have to take the duplicate in the previously మీరు అదేంటి duplicate చేయాలి అంటే you have to create one action then only the repeating action will be repeated okay the duplicate action will be repeated but here what happened I don't want to take any action select it and use Control Shift V Control Alt U it is a action okay come to the action and use count take a preview and use counts how much angle it has been taken how much distance it has been taken with 2.15 inches is it clear the differences between duplicate and step and repeat what happening it is taking by the value perfect value and we can increasing the count here okay but here the duplicate what happened the duplicate we have to take the action మనం డూప్లికేట్ లో యాక్షన్ తీసుకోవాలి అప్పుడు డూప్లికేట్ యాక్షన్ అనేది రిపీట్ అవుతుంది యూజింగ్ విత్ డూప్లికేట్ బట్ come to the step and repeat action use count option directly it will take a duplicate using the distance of horizontal and vertical values click it okay then write it down the two things hope you understand yeah step and repeat okay this is the action place and linked what is placed what is placing we can insert any image and what is the shortcut for placing Control D select any object use Control D or otherwise place and linked here we can take the placing and linked option but the same option it will be repeat here Paragraphs and style mappings. Okay, I'll explain that one. Select all. I'll explain the next session that one. Edit, select all. Select all means we can select all the objects. Come to here, deselect all. Select all and deselect all. Right. Control A, select all the objects, deselect all the objects. Is it clear? Did you written? And come to here. Pick apply is already paragraphs and everything is there. We can apply here. Okay, that is the predefined settings. Find and change. Okay, is there any text layers? Take open, control plus O, open. Is there any text? There is no text now. Where we can get the text, friends? Go to the Google and come to here. Lorem ipsum. Click it here. Control C, copy, and come to the InDesign. Take a text tool and use Control Shift P. Control Shift P. In the pages palette, you can add the pages. To increase the font size using with Control Shift greater than, Control Shift less than. Okay. To give the justification, Control Shift J. Control Shift J. Already I explained here, friends. Control A, select all. Okay. To increase and decrease the size, Control Shift greater than, Control Shift less than. Okay. And use Control Shift left element, Control Shift C center element, Control Shift right element, Control Shift J. Justification. ఇది చాలా మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇది. ఓకే. And we have to line spacing means use alt up arrow and down arrow. Already you saw in this same settings in where Photoshop and Illustrator, the same settings you can check it. Okay. Now come to here, edit and use find and replace. And find and change means come to here, you can find a the find, you can find the text whatever you need and change to any contact number. Please change it. Change. If you want to change all the words at a time, change all. Completely 5 replacements made. See, automatically it has been changed. And select this one, Control C, copy, Control V here, and change number to the letter again. Okay. Change all 6 replacement. Change. This is the find and changing option. With every application you can see the find next and finds and spellings. Already is there any spell checks? You can spell checks here, and you can skip it means you can skip it here. If you want to change it, you can change the IDML, you can change it as a IDML. Like this, the check spelling will be changed. One word to another word, we can change it. Transparent blend space, flatten presets, color settings. These are all the settings of our application, our predefined settings. These are all our predefined settings. It will be support to run the application. It will be support to run the application easily. So come to the keyboard shortcuts. What are the shortcuts we have? Come to here, go to the edit menu, layout menu, type menu, and object menu, view menu, and help menu. 1 second. Select it and we can change it. Okay, and this is the keyboard shortcuts. And what are the shortcuts we have? You can check it here and see what is the shortcut here. Control Q, like this. And you can take a new book or exporting. What is the shortcut? Control it. If you want to change it, you can change it, but no need to change the shortcuts. Why? Means these are the predefined shortcuts. Okay, these are the predefined shortcuts. Edit menu and come to the pages layout. Add pages. Please check with in edit menu. Please check it. Control Z, Control Shift Z, cut, copy, paste, and Control Alt Shift V, paste in place. Working with duplicates and step and repeat. Select all and deselect alls, and working with completely. Find and next for text elements, text controls, and working with keyboard shortcuts. And come to this we will work in the production purpose only. Okay, come to the layout. What is layout? In the layout menu, just check with layout menu, friends. Okay, layout menu, what we do in the layout, we can see the pages. We can add the pages and we can move the pages from one place to another place. We can duplicate spreads and we can delete the pages. And I can select it, select, right click, move the pages from one place to another place, like this. And I can drag it like this. I can move it like this. I can move the pages, just hold it and move it. See, like this, from one page to another page. Okay, and I would like to remove the facing pages. Just remove the facing pages completely. How many pages we have? 3 pages. In the first page, what we have? Circle. Just apply any color. And in the last page, what we have? The text. I would like to move this page to second page, or this one should be first page. Like this we can move it. Or otherwise, right click, move pages. Right click, move pages. How many pages we have? 3 pages. The destination page will be after page, after second page, or otherwise after third page. The first page should be moved to after third page. Click it. This page should be moved to before second page. Before second page. If we have 100 pages, we have to move the pages from first page, we have to move to 60th page. Then automatically you have to use the right click, move pages, or otherwise layout, move pages. If you want to duplicate spread, right click, duplicate spread. Okay, right click, duplicate spread. What the elements we have? All the elements we can move it directly. Okay, delete spread, we can delete the spread. These are the pages. And what is margin and columns? We can use the margins here. And how many columns you need? You can take the columns from margins and columns from the document. You can use the document like this, and you can use perfect the format like this. Select it and decrease the size. C. Suppose you have taken the content like this. Control C and enter. You have one more paragraph. See what the content you have. Here the plus symbol is there and the red mark is activated. Okay. You decrease the size or increase the size, then automatically what happened? The column it has been fitted. Okay. But this one should be already added more content. We have more content. With the strip you can remove. You can move it like this. You can see. Okay. But how can I continue this column into the next column? This text, I have to continue this text into the next column. Take this plus symbol, click it and just drag it here. And again we have one more plus symbol. If you select it, see automatically it has been all the selected happen. Control Shift greater than, Control Shift less than to increase and decrease the size. To open the full screen, what is the shortcut? Shift W, we can see it. And I would like to remove this controllers, W. See the the margins and everything will be removed, W. This is the preview. Shift W, full screen preview. Okay. This is margins and columns. Ruler guides almost what we have taken this guides now. This we call as ruler guides. You can take the ruler guides. You can select it and you can delete it. Select it. Ruler guides. Okay. Alternate layouts. Suppose what is the alternate layout here? The A. Custom A. And here we are creating one more layout. That is a duplicate layout from custom V. Okay. Custom V from custom V, or otherwise I can rename it as a 1C and click it OK. The same pages, it has been moved to custom view, but it has been moved into portrait. It has moved into, this is the landscape and this is the portrait. Like this, we can use the options. Adjust layouts, we can take the adjust layouts, the sizes. This is our main layout. This is our main layout. I can right click, delete the alternate layouts. Means just taking the duplicate layouts on the pages palette directly. Layout, next page. I can go with previous page. I can go with last page. I can go with previous pages. Like this I can go here from directly and I can select it, or otherwise I can go directly, double click, I can here select it. Okay. Layout, go to page. Which page we have? It is into the second page. This is the second page. Idi manaki second page lo undi. I have to go with fourth page. Click it, fourth page. We have 100, 200 pages. Then what should we do? We can't search all the pages. So that's why we can go with go to page. Is very important. And the shortcut is Ctrl J. Please note it. And this one also, shift page up and shift page down will be selecting of particular pages in the pages palette. Ctrl J, go to pages, shift page up and page down will be selecting of particular pages in pages palette. Come to here, please select this one, shift page down, page up. See, it is selecting or not. If you want to go fourth page, if you want to go for page up, the first pages and down pages, it will be selecting directly into the pages palette only. Okay, Ctrl J already explained you. These are layouts. Okay, and these are the settings of tables. Cool. Come to the type menu, friends. Type menu. What we use the type menu? Already we know the type. In the type menu, we already selected almost the type settings and type controllers and everything. Select it. This is a text tool. Come to the type and font. We can take the font and font family. I can take it directly or any font. You can see all the fonts and size. Select it. Ctrl T. Font and font families. And and I can take with one more font. Okay, and I can decrease the size. I can take 14 or 16. Okay, and type settings, control is select all, font family, font size, and character palette. Already it is a character palette. Font size we know, no, 14. It is increasing and decreasing. To get the character palette, what is the shortcut? Control T. Okay, control T is the character palette. And control M for paragraph palette. Control T, character palette, control M, paragraph palette. And come to here, we can select it and take the character palette, font family, font styles, bold, semi bold, light, and so many options we have now here. The regular, and double click, and you can increase and decrease the size of the layer. Okay, and line to line spacing, keep it auto, or otherwise you can increase, make it increasing. Okay, and this is called character spacing. This we call as a leading, this we call as tracking. Select it, I need 25. See word to word spacing, and I would like to keep it 0. And this is horizontal scaling and vertical scaling. Suppose if you give the content 150, see it is squeezed. Vertically it is squeezing. That we call as scaling. Giving 100% is perfect. Type paragraphs. What is, I already told you that it's control M. Center alignment, right alignment, left alignment. The alignment is very important. Suppose I would like to take this one as a, see, keep it this one and close this one, make it left alignment, center alignment, right alignment. And I need to give the justification. The right side should be very perfect. The same left alignment, how it is showcasing. The same thing, it is a zigzag of formatting in the right side. So the content should be come as a straight format in the right side also. Then use justification throughout the content. Now take it here, make it 1, the left indent, and this is right indent, 1 inch. I would like to move it into the first line. See, I can give 5, automatically the first line gap will be increased. I can give 3, then automatically you can see it. And come to here, you can make it with 2. This is a paragraph and paragraph settings. Control is select all, and you can decrease the size. What is the shortcut for saving? Control. What is selection shortcut? Control A, select all, center alignment, right alignment, and left justification. Okay, and if you want to give, see, this is an enter symbol. You have taken an enter, but don't use the enter, but you have to give the maintaining the some paragraph value. Like I need to give 3 inches. No, I need to give 0.5 inches. See, is there any enter symbol? But this is the enter symbol. Here there is no enter symbol. Control is select all and keep it the cursor here and use 0.2. Like this we can give paragraph to paragraph controlling. Very important, friends. Okay, this is the paragraph shades. Sir, what happened here? Again I can give here as a 0, 0. It is very clear. Okay, or otherwise I can give 0. This one also. Type setting. This is a type setting. This is what is here, industry. What is this? Industries. But industries, what happened here? It has been break. The industry word has been break. Then automatically the half of the letters will came down and half of the letters will become up. So we have to remove this hyphenate. This we call as hyphen. It has given with hyphen symbol. Okay, we have to remove the hyphenate and we have to adjust the content automatically. మనము ఆ హైఫనేట్ సింబల్ని తీసేసి ఆ వర్డ్ని కంప్లీట్గా ఫుల్ఫిల్గా దాన్ని ఒకే సెంటెన్స్లో చూపించే దాన్ని హైఫనేట్ అంటారు. దాన్ని హైఫనేట్ని రిమూవ్ చేయాలి. We have to remove that hyphenate. Select the content, use remove hyphenates. See, automatically the content is adjusted with hyphenates. It is also very important, guys. Is it clear? And this is the font sizes, characters and paragraphs. Suppose the content is here, the end of content is here, and I have to, what is this? This bounding box should be fit to fit the content. What is the shortcut? Control Alt C. Double click means automatically it will go. Okay, if you come to the cursor and దాని ఇది ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఈ బౌండింగ్ బాక్స్ దీనికి ఫిట్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, అప్పుడు మనం దీన్ని డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఫిట్ అయింది. బట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఏ షార్ట్ కట్ కదా, కంట్రోల్ ఆల్ట్ సి, కంట్రోల్ ఆల్ట్ సి టు ఫిట్ ద కంటెంట్. Control Alt C to fit the content. Is it clear? Select the text, go to the type and character styles and paragraph styles. Already these are the styles what we have seen here. And come to the glyphs. What is glyph? Glyph is nothing but symbols. We can see the symbols here directly. See, we can create a different type of symbols. Suppose I need a different shades. Come to here, you can take as a weddings, weddings. See, you can see the shapes. You can use the shapes like this, and you can select the shapes here directly, and the bus shapes and everything. Select the cursor and just come to here and double click and double click. This type of symbols we call as glyphs. Is ఈ type of symbols మనం ఏమని పిలుస్తాము? Glyphs అని పిలుస్తాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. Create outlines. Suppose take new page, Control Shift P and save it the friends, Control S, save. Menus, come to here and I can take the text here. Okay, and I would like to fit the content. What is the shortcut? Control Alt C, Control Alt C is the content like this. Select it and I would like to fill the color. What is the shortcut to fill the color? Where is swatches palette? Ramesh, F5 swatches palette. I can take the swatches palette here and I can fill the color. The color is filled to the text. The color is filled to the text. What happened? It has been filled to the background. Why? Habib, Chindu, huh? Text not selected. Okay, good. Control Z, step backward, select it. Now you can fill the color. If there is no selected, I didn't select the text, but I have to fill the color. I don't want to select the text, but I have to fill the color. Now come here See, I didn't selected the text selection, but the background, the color is coming. Okay, if you select the text means the color is coming, the text selection is coming, the text selection and text color is coming. But if you selecting like this, then automatically the background it is highlighting, but the text color is not selecting. What should we do? Come to here and keep it none, remove. And for every step there is two things. One is object selection, second one is text selection. మన ప్రతి దగ్గర రెండు ఉంటాయండి, ఒకటి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ సెలెక్షన్ ఉండిద్ది, రెండు టెక్స్ట్ సెలెక్షన్ ఉండిద్ది. ఓకే, మరి దీన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తేనేమో ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ హైలైట్ అవుతుంది, అంతేగాని టెక్స్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. అలా అని చెప్పేసి నన్ను చేస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడేంటి, టెక్స్ట్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తేనేమో కలర్ ఫిల్ అవుతుంది, ఇది ఓకే కదా. అంటే టెక్స్ట్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయకుండా మనం జస్ట్ అంటే టెక్స్ట్ సెలెక్షన్ లేకుండా ఒక టెక్స్ట్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసి కలర్ ఎలా ఫిల్ చేస్తాం. సెలెక్ట్ ఇట్ అండ్ go to here. This is the object selection and this is the text selection. Which one is activated here? Object is activated. So if you click it here, then what happening? The background is highlighting. Okay, then what should we do? Come backward, Control Z, or otherwise remove the none option and click it and make it text highlighted using with the text highlighting and filling the color. This is the text highlightings. Okay, like this. You have to check it the both things. Object has been selected or text has been selected. Now text has been selected. So select it and use Control Shift O. What is Control Shift O? Text to changing the object. The text is changing to object. That is called create outlines. Create outlines. That is very important. I think you written, I think. Okay, this is a very important. Create outlines. Right click, see, double click, you can see the curves. Here we can see the, and the text is in cap letters or small letters. Come to the type, use change case, lower case, change case, title case, చేంజ్ కేస్, సెంటెన్స్ కేస్. అంటే టెక్స్ట్ అనేది ఉంది, ఈ టెక్స్ట్ అనేది మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, చేంజ్ కేస్లో అప్పర్ కేస్ అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ కమింగ్ విత్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్. టైప్ చేంజ్ కేస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ కమింగ్ లోయర్ కేస్. టైప్ చేంజ్ కేస్, టైటిల్ కేస్ means the first letter will be capital and every word the first letter will be capital. Suppose Krish is a good boy. Krish is a good boy. See, the first letter will be capital and what about the small letters? The next words small. But this is not a title case. Type change case, title case means every word it has been, the every word starting letter will be capital. Okay, so that is that is called title case. And type change case and sentence case, first letter will be the capital from the paragraph or text. Is there any artistic text or paragraph text? The first letter will be the capital and all the letters will be small. That is called sentence case. Change case is upper case, lower case, title case and sentence case. Type on a path tool. Suppose I have a path, circle, select this one, type on a path, take here, type on a path tool. Select this one and remove none, stroke, none. And to see the preview, what is the shortcut? Preview, not full screen. W. You can rotate it. Is it clear? Selected type, change case, type on a path. Suppose this is a type on a path, options. I need a rainbow, skew, 3D ribbon, stair step and gravity. Okay, now select this one and take a pen tool and take the text tool, Ctrl C, copy and take the type on path tool, click it here and make it here. Ctrl S all and decrease the size of the text. Remove the fill, none. Remove the stroke, none. Now you can select it, type on a path options, make it rainbow, skew. Now you understanding, 3D ribbon, stair step. See, it is taking step by step, staircase, gravity, and keep it as a 3D ribbon and working with the top layer, bottom and center, and keep it with stair step, keep it with top, bottom, center, rainbow, keep it with top, bottom, center. This mini changes, mainly the baseline, ascender, descender, center of the path. This is the path, no? The path will be the center and the baseline. This is the type on a path options. And nodes and track changes, document settings. These are the settings of the our type settings. These are all the type settings of options. Hidden characters. Hidden characters means suppose there is any double spaces, any enters, you can check it directly. Type hidden characters. See, here we have one more enter, extra enter. We can move it. Here we have 4 spacings. Remove. Here we have 3 spacings. Remove. Like this, proofreading persons will take the text. Proofreading people use hidden characters. What? Hidden characters. Type, remove the hidden characters. And this insert special characters, white spacing characters, and bullets and number lists. These are all the settings of this completely type object. And here we have one more option, guys. Take a parent one. This is called, what is this? This is the master page. I have to place a logo. I have to place a logo here. Place desktop. And I'm just taking with logo. And I just placed the logo here directly. When you place this logo in the parent A, this is the parent A. Parent is nothing but master page. If you apply anything in the master page, it is applied to all the pages. Is it coming? What? Is it coming? Okay, this is the master page. Master page is very important. Just click it and select it. And sir, what is this one? This is facing page. This is, but we have taken only one page. We are not taking any facing pages. We are not taken any facing pages. We have taken only one page. Or otherwise, Ctrl Alt P and make it facing pages. First page, అడగాలి వచ్చేటప్పుడు నేను చూడలే. First page, second page, third page and fourth page. But what happened? All the pages you are getting the logo? No. Why means already we have given to only master page on the verso and recto, the left page and right page. But we have given only the left page of the document, only the logo. And same, copy this one and just alt drag and duplicate it here. Now see here, first page, second page, third page, and fourth page, and fifth page. Now you got all the pages, and it will not be selected. Why? Means it is locked in the master page. When you are applying into the master page, it won't be activated in the, means it won't be selected in the normal pages. This is very important. This is called master page. Okay, sir, I would like to give the numbers in the down of the layer. I would like to give the numbers in the down of the layer. Come to the master page and take here the text layer. Go to the type menu. Okay. Insert special characters, markers, current page numbers. Insert special characters, markers, current page numbers. Okay, we created the page number here, that is called A. Select it and keep it here. Okay, and select this one. Take duplicate here and keep it here. Here we have one page, here we have one page. Double click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take it here. We can give Control Shift P. Control Shift P. See, if you increasing the pages, automatically the numbers are increasing. This is a logic of current page. Current page numbers is nothing but the numbers. This is called A. Automatically it indicates A. The application started from the A, and the software's applications will be started from 0 to 1, means 0 indication. Okay, but here it has been started with alphabets A. Automatically the current number is converted into numbers. Is it clear? Thank you, and please check with these layers. Thank you, friends. Just please be practice. Okay, and tomorrow we'll select with object, table, and view window help. Okay, thank you.